Now let's see branching. So the concept behind branching is that each snapshot can have one each snapshot can have more than one child. Applying a second change set to the same snapshot creates a new separate stream of development, and if it is named, it's called a branch. So in Git terminology, the head, capital H, capital E, capital A, capital D, that I have shown you in .git directory or Git working directory, is a reference point to the most recent commit of the currently checked out branch. So the current checked out branch is also known as the head branch. If you are not clear about what I'm speaking, I'm gonna do a practical demonstration to make it clear. So as we discussed, so this is what, so in Git working directory, you'll find this head. I have shown you that. And as discussed, the head is a reference to the last commit of our current branch. It is the last committed state of our project. So now let's take one example. So we can think of head as our current working branch. Simply to make it simple, head as a current working branch. So this is because the head does not point directly to a commit, but instead it points to a branch. The branch itself is a pointer, but references the last commit that was made on it. So the head is automatically updated by Git if we add a new commits to the current branch. So current branch, or we can switch to a different branch. Let's do that. So let's look into the figure now, the graphic infographic. So this figure illustrates this with a simple branch structure in Git. So the branch is a master branch. Basically, the head is pointing towards the master branch because we are presently inside the master branch. If you want to get clarity, so we are in master branch only. Let me keep this here so it would be much clearer for you. So if you have a doubt, let me read it. Okay, it's dot git, and inside that I have head. See the reference, it's a master, so we are referencing to the master branch only. Now a master branch where some development happens currently points to the snapshot F. So that's where, but it has crossed all these stages. The initial commit was A, and then after that you have added some files, and then you committed those files, then the commit B. When it reaches the commit B, so there were two development streams going from the commit B. So one for the feature branch, other for the normal way, one for going for the feature branch, other one is normal way, it's going on. So that's the reason we have tagged commit B as commit tag. Okay, so these are all commits. You can see that A commit, B commit, and at the B commit we have created a branch. And then now we have two streams of branches. One is this side, we call this branch as feature one branch, and if we want to add some features to this base code, till this code, whatever code is there till this part, that part will be copied into the feature one branch. After that we have added few more features into that code, whereas this is our main branch, this is our master branch. Okay, so this is our master branch and this is our feature one branch. So this we call it as a, we have tagged this one as a commit tag one. Okay, so let's practically look into this one. So we'll keep this diagram, the flow in the same way so that it would be much clearer for you. I'll give git. You see, at this moment we have only two commits. Just see this one and then compare this git log with this diagram. So this is our first commit 21. This is that commit, and after that I have made one more commit, that is this. So these are two commits, and then master branch, the recent commit is at the master branch, and master branch was being referenced by the head. You see, head is pointing towards the master branch because all these commits happened in the master branch. So you see, it's similar. So now we will tag these commits with the num a and b so that it would be much easier to it's much easier to reference them. Okay, so I say git tag and option a, I'll name it as a capital A, and then for this one, this is our capital first commit, so I'll name it as a capital A. Then message I'll give, this is first commit, this is first commit, it's a. So let me give the git log and see. You see, now in spite of saying, in spite of referencing this, identifying this commit with the big hash id, we'll say just a, this is a commit a. So now I would say, next I will name the commit b also. So tag it's b, and then I'll add, here is the hash id. I'll take till 7. I think 7 is more than enough. Then copy this and paste it here, and I say this is second commit or second snapshot, second commit or second commit or second snapshot, and I'll name it as b. Let me execute it and let's look the log one more time. Now you see, you got, this is commit snapshot a and this is snapshot b, just for the name, just for identification sake. So we are in, so first 1 and 2 are done, and we will for the b we will reference it as tag 1. Okay, commit tag, oh, b is our commit tag, that's okay, that's done. So now we will create a branch called feature 1. We'll create a branch called feature 1. So for that I say git branch and name is feature 1. Here I want to add some features. So now you can see your branch is ready. So let's give the log and see how does it look like. Now if I see, yeah, we have done only two commits, that is commit a and then commit b. So you have only two, but we have now two branches. One is master branch. At this moment head is referencing, pointing towards master branch, and we have one more branch, that is feature. So feature will also have the similar kind of data. So let's get into the feature branch. Let us check out to the feature branch. Check out to feature 1. So switch to branch feature 1. Let's check. See, whatever files that were there inside the base or master repository, master branch, everything has been copied. See, whatever till now, till this commit, whatever files has been added and committed, all these files has been given to the branch B also, sorry, branch feature 1 also. Okay, that's how it works. Now what I will do is I will add one file. This time I will add Terraform files. So touch, no, yeah, I'm in feature 1. You see here, you can see I'm in feature 1. I will add Terraform files. Touch Terraform Terraform files or configuration.tf 1 3.tf. So now I'll commit these things only into feature 1. This Terraform 1 and Terraform 2, Terraform 3 into feature 1. I will add this git add. Okay, but let me do git log. You see now? See the magic? At this moment, head is pointing towards the feature 1 because I am inside the feature 1. I'm inside the feature 1. That's what I was saying. Wherever we are, that's where the head points. So we are checked out to the feature 1 branch. Now head is pointing towards the feature 1. If you want to see cat dot, okay, before that I'll clear the screen. Cat dot git and then head. See the magic. See the magic. Before it was master branch, but now it is feature branch because we are inside the feature 1. We are inside the feature 1. Anyway, we have uh, we have got the clarity on head and then master branch and creating a feature branch. So now let's add the changes that we have made it to the feature 1 branch. Git add and then dot. So let me give the git status. You see these are the files has been put into the tracking stage. Now it is time to add. Now it's time to commit. So now let's commit. Git commit and then option M. Message is this is the commit in, this is the first commit, this is the first commit in feature 1 branch. Okay, the commit has been made. Now let me give the git log and see. You see that the third commit and then head is referencing to feature only, head is pointing to the feature 1 only. You see this commit, and I haven't tagged with any name. I haven't tagged, so I will tag it now. Then we'll see that again. Okay, I'll clear the screen again. Now I would say git tag and option A, and this time it is G. I will give the name G and C. C D E F will come into the master branch. This tag, this commit will, I'll name it as a G. And message, this tag belongs to feature 1 branch. Now let's give that. You see that? Now the tag G. So this commit is tag G. Now you see that the feature 1 branch and head is pointing towards the feature 1 branch. So this side it is done. Now let's just check out to the master branch and we will do how many commits? 1 2 3 commits. We'll do 3 commits and see. Okay, so git and then check out to the master branch. Clear the screen. We are in the master branch. Now let me give ls. You see that? Only you can find file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, folder 1, folder 2, folder 3 and script sh. That's it. There is no Terraform file. There is no Terraform file. Why? Because this is a master branch. In master branch, we haven't added any Terraform file. So in feature one only, we have added the new features. If those features are successful, then what we can do is we have to merge those features back into the master branch, and then we can merge it, and that's the final branch. Like this, we can maintain the versions also. So this we will do at the end of this slide. So but before that, we will check the difference between master branch and then feature branch. So git diff. Now we are in master, so I'll give only feature one branch. You see that? So this is the difference. Mod1.py, mod2.py. So feature one has, this does not have. And then terraform.1, terraform 1, terraform 2, terraform 3. So all these files are the difference between master branch and feature one branch. So now you got to know how to use the git diff. Okay, so now let me create, let me commit, let me make the third commit in master branch. So for that, I have to create a few more files. This time I'll create packer templates. Okay, so touch and packer 1 2 3 dot json. We'll do json only, then after that we'll do HCL when it is required. So this time it's json. So let me create. So I have added packer 1 2 3. So now I will add it to the staging area. So git add dot. So then all these three files will be packer 1, packer 2, packer 3 will be added to staging area or index. Once once it is added to the staging area, so then I can commit. So git commit. So message, these packer files are being committed to the local repo. So commit has been done. So now let's check git log graph decorate and all. Now you see total how many we have, how many commits we have. Tag A and then tag B, these two commits belong to master. And then we have tag C. Okay, I haven't tagged it. Anyway, this is the latest commit. This is the packer file commit. And then now the for this commit, head is pointing towards the master because we have done this in master branch. So let me tag this also. Let me tag the recent commit also. For that, git tag option A and then tag name I'm going to give is C. Then I'll copy the ID of this, yeah, hash ID or commit ID. So then I'll paste it here. Then after that, what we have is message. So this is packer files commit tag. Tag is C. So now let's give git log graph decorate all. Now it's C. So tag A, tag B, and then we have tag C. This is commit C, commit A, commit B, commit C, and then commit G belongs to the feature one branch. That here you can see that. Is it visible for you or should I zoom it more? I'll just zoom it more. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, this part, you see, this is feature one branch. It's pointing sidewards. Same. Is it similar? Is it similar? See, from B, this is commit B. From commit B, it's pointing sidewards for the commit G. See, from B, it's pointing sideward for the commit G, and it belongs to the feature one branch. So we are close, by and large we are close. So now we are going to commit two more commits. So that is E and F. E and F. So for this I will create HCL templates. So touch, this time it's templates 1 2 3 dot HCL, sorry dot packer dot HCL. Okay, so yes, templates 3 were added. So now let me do git add. Let me add it to the staging area, and it's been added to the staging area. So once it's been added to the staging area, now I'm gonna commit all these changes to the local repository. Git commit message m committing packer templates in HCL format. Yes, commit is done. So now let us tag this commit with the E. I'll tag it with E. So there is slight mistake here. I should have two commits. This is D. So by mistake it's B. Anyway, I'll do that. I'll do that commit also. What's that? E. I'll commit with E. The commit name. Okay, before I tag it here, let me get into the Git log graph. Yeah, let me make it bigger. Yeah, let's tag it this commit also here. So git tag option A, and then it's E, and commit ID is till 44. I'll take, and then paste it here, and I'll give space. Then I say message, and this is packer HCL templates commit tag is G, sorry, E. Then it's done. Let's see the commit. You see that E. So here what I will do is I will check out to feature one branch, and I will change the tag of this to D, and then I'll create a new tag with a G. Okay, because A, B, C, D, E has been created, and F, where is that? And E, so F will come here. Okay, then after changing this to D, then I will create one more, and finally I will add it to the F. Okay, so let me check out git checkout branch name is feature 1. So I have been checked out into that. Now let me change the tag, git tag option A and G. So this is the one. I want to change this tag to for paste it, and then message m retagging. Okay, now let's check it. Oh, sorry. Tag G and then tag. Okay, this is I put it in a wrong place. Sorry, yeah. See, after tag I should have put uh, I did not put any tag here. So this time I will add the tag. Okay, anyway, that can be changed. Leave it. Okay, that's the G. So then we'll create one more tag, D, tag D. Okay, one more commit, tag D. For that I will create this time Ansible config file. Okay, it's the just AML files. Okay, so touch Ansible 123.ml. So add to the git add these files to the staging area, then commit these files, git commit m, and then committing Ansible config files. So commit is done. Now let's check how does it look. You see that? Now it's similar. You see this and this, is it exactly same? But we have to add one more commit, that's f, that we're going to do. But this this is commit a, b, and this is commit c, I think. Here here is that future one, here we have that. So this is commit e, and this, the recent commit, I will name it as a commit d. Okay. I would say tag again, git tag a, and tag name would be this time d, and then I will take recent 15bfc97, copy this, and then yeah, I will paste it here. Then let me give a message, and this is Ansible Ansible files committing tag is d. So now let's look into this and make it minus. So now you see a, b, c, this belongs to a, b, c belongs to master branch. Then we have d and g. Here we have d, you see d and g belongs to feature branch, and even e belongs to master branch. So this, I think, these 1 2 3 4, so this section belongs to master branch, and these two belongs to feature one branch. So now I will check out to master branch, git checkout master branch, and I will give the final commit. So for this, yeah, we are in master branch now. You can see that on the screen. So I will create touch. This time I'm going to create so Ansible is done, Packer done. So we'll create some JSON files, just normal JSON scripts. Okay, touch. Okay, we'll create HTML templates. Touch index to .html templates. So we have two HTML templates. We can see that on the screen. So now what I'm going to do is I'll type I will add these changes into the staging area. Then I will commit these changes, git m commit, and then message committing html files. So done, committing is done. Now it's time to tag that. So this tag would be git tag option a, and it is f. Okay, but before that we should note the commit id, right? So commit id we can see on screen. Okay, yeah, it's 44e. Yeah, where is that? It's on top. Let me type git tag option a, and then commit, sorry, and I'll give f, and I need to get the commit id. Now commit id is here, 44e23, sorry, 44e23, 2391 space, paste it, and tag message. This is committing HTML files tag is F. So let me yeah, now you see it's very clear. a b B belongs to master branch, then G and D. So this is D, this is D by mistake, this is D and G. D and G belongs to feature one branch, and C, E, F, yeah, F belongs to master branch. Total 5 commits belongs to master branch and 2 commits belongs to feature one branch. And if you see here, oh sorry, if you see the head is pointing towards the master branch, so this is the condition. Okay, so now in our feature, so now if you look into the master branch, we will have a different set of files, and if you look into the feature one branch, we have a different set of files, different set of data. So these are two different versions. So how can we merge, what will we do, all those things we are going to do in our next session.